What's going on, everyone? Welcome to an Unthrow Outdoors video. I've got a really cool trout video for you today. They were jumping everywhere. Check out what I got to experience. First cast of the day, we're going to try a pink power worm. Yeah, third cast. Get over here, big guy. Nice. Okay, so we know the bite is good. Let's continue. Fix my worm, throw it back out. Yeah. That was awesome. Oh, small guy. That was awesome. Dude, this is so cool. Weather's perfect. It's about 38 to 40 degrees. Water's actually warmer than it feels outside. Fish are biting left and right. Just a little bit of a jig of the tip of the rod and let that bait sit. Then do it again. It definitely helps to have a noodle rod. All right, fish on. Fish on. Looks like a keeper. Yep, that's a keeper, all right. Let's go. What a nice trout. Dude, that's a thick one. Let's get it over here. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I missed another one. Dang it. Already. Wow, is this day popping off? I think I had it by the tail. Okay. Let's fix this worm up. Get it back in there immediately. It is phenomenal how wild these trout are today. They're jumping all over the place too. Maybe we'll find something over in the cove. Dude! Oh! Oh my gosh! What a fish! No! No! It came off. Let's go get him again. What a fish. That's a beautiful cardinal. Dude, it looks like that cardinal's trying to get into that truck. I love it when those fish jump. Dang. Bro's playing Smash Bros over there, triple jump. Hey, there's a golden pally. Wonder if I can catch that. Cast it out. Bobber hit the water. Seemed like something nibbled on the worm just a little bit, and then the golden palomino just swam away. Might have been it. That was cool. Fish on. Fish on. Is it a regular or is it a golden? It is a humongous pumpkin seed. What? Wow, nice fish. Nice size. All right, big guy. Dude, I love this day. Let's get another one. What is going on with that gigantic trout over there? It has to be a 4 or 5 pounder. It's going ham. All right, I gotta warm my hands up a little bit. Water's warmish. Cold air outside is not. We'll get right back to it. Oh yeah, he's a fighter. Wow, is he a fighter? Dang, dude. Oh, no. Dang. Oh man, they're popping off today. Feels like a bluegill. Oh my goodness gracious, it is a bluegill. Smallest one in the lake. Well, that was easy. Finally. There we go. Nice. There we are. Nice one. After all that fishing, it went from cloudy to rain to snow. We've hit our limit for the day. We're gonna pack up, get these filleted, get them in the freezer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like videos like this, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Remember to pray before everything that you do, and praise God. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.